In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly manage your website redirects using manage.wix.com. This is an invaluable skill for maintaining your site's integrity and ensuring that your visitors are always directed to the right place. So, let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to the Wix dashboard. To do this, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for manage.wix.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll find yourself looking at a neatly organized dashboard. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the Site and Mobile App option. This section is where all the magic happens, allowing you to easily manage all aspects of your website and mobile applications. Once you're in the Site and Mobile App area, your next step is to select the SEO and GEO option. This is your hub for all things related to search engine optimization and geo-targeting, which are crucial for increasing your website's visibility and reaching the right audience. In this section, you'll find a variety of tools designed to help enhance your website's performance in search engines. Now, it's time to focus on redirects. Click on Go to URL Redirect Manager. This tool is essential for managing your site's URLs, ensuring that any changes in your web addresses don't result in broken links. Those dreaded 404 not found errors can be quite frustrating for visitors and detrimental to your site's search engine ranking. In the Redirect Manager, the next task is to click on Create New Redirect. This is where you'll set up the actual redirects, guiding your audience seamlessly from old URLs to new ones without a hitch. This action is particularly useful during site redesigns or restructuring, where changes in page URLs are common. After selecting to create a new redirect, you'll need to type in the old URL. This is the web address that is currently leading to a page you wish to modify or remove. Carefully enter this information to ensure that your site visitors are redirected from the right place. Following that, you'll enter the new URL. This is the address where visitors should be redirected. Ensure it's accurate, as any errors here could lead your audience astray, potentially causing confusion or a bad user experience. With both URLs in place, the final step is to click on Save. This action will activate the redirect, ensuring that anyone visiting the old URL is seamlessly funneled to the new destination. And there you have it. You've successfully configured a URL redirect using manage.wix.com. With these redirects in place, you'll maintain seamless navigation for your visitors and ensure your site's structure remains robust and efficient. Keep this guide handy for whenever you need to adjust your website's URLs. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.